Sahara Desert. My first question is, Sahara Desert is located in which continent? You have to send the answer. You are not required to speak the answer. Okay, class? You start sending first the answer. I'll call your name. I'll call your name.
मैम आप होस्ट नहीं हो तो मैम आपसे चैट नहीं कर पा रहे हैं।
मैम आप होस्ट नहीं हो तो आपसे चैट नहीं कर पा रहे हैं,
अच्छा,
ऑप्शन नहीं आ रहा है।
नहीं कर पा रहे, अभी चैट कर पाओगे। जस्ट आई एम जस्ट वंस अगेन बिकमिंग होस्ट। मैं फिर से होस्ट बन जा रही हूँ। वेट just a minute. Okay, class, start sending me the answer. This time everyone, yes Gargi, okay, yes Abhineet, correct, yes Sania, well done, okay, yes Krishna Mridul, very good, well done, yes Abhinav, yes Rajveer, yes Kesav Kumar, very good, yes Amit 7B, yes Ronak 7A. Start sending fast. Yes Riya 7A. Okay, Reshmi Kumari 7B, very good. Akanksha 7B, very good. Still many of you are remaining to answer. Yes, Abhinav Kumar 7B. So well done, class. Very good. You answered. The Sahara Desert is located in the continent of Africa. Well done, class. Listen to me very carefully. Yes, Janvi, correct. My next question is also related with Africa. Already you completed your map work. Can you name some countries? Any two countries you have to name from that continent where Sahara Desert is located. Yes, Sania, correct. मैप में भी आप लोगों ने लोकेट करके दिखाया है। Two countries from Africa continent.
मैम रिपीट द क्वेश्चन।
Two countries, yes, Abhineet Kumar 7A, very good. Two countries of Sahara Desert, the two countries which are located in Sahara Desert, you have to name. Abhineet 7A, very good. Resmi just one. Okay, Abhinav Kumar 7B, very good. No, Risita, it is a city, it is not a country.
मैम रिपीट क्वेश्चन।
You have to mention two countries located in Sahara Desert area. No. Yes, Aditya. Yes. Good. Yes. Yes. Good. Yes, Gargi. Yes. Very good. Brazil is not in that continent, students. Yes, Gayatri. Yes, Riya. Very good. So nice answers you have sent. Egypt and Algeria. Okay, many of you answered. Chad and Algeria. Algeria and Egypt. Okay. North Africa. Ankit, North Africa. North Africa.
मैम चल मैम चैट में भेजना तो नहीं कह रहा है।
Yes, Abhinav. Okay. Chad and Algeria. Yes, Libya and Sudan. Very good. So many of you answered well. My next question is, listen my question carefully, then answer. What was the common fruit, common vegetation of Sahara Desert area? You have to give answer. Okay, Abhinav Kumar, 7B, very good. Very good. Yes, Resmi, 7B, very good.
मैम
Well done.
repeat question.
The common vegetation, the common fruit of Sahara Desert. Yes, Gayatri. Okay. No, no, Gargi. No, Ria. The most common
आंसर
fruit.
भेज रहे हैं पर जा नहीं रहा है।
Answer, just one common fruit, very popular, very famous in Sahara Desert. Yesterday we discussed a lot about that fruit also.
मैम चैट में भेज रही पर काम नहीं कर रहा। मैम जा नहीं रहा मैम मैसेज।
What happened?
मैम जा नहीं रहा मैसेज। इसलिए मैसेज नहीं।
मेरे पास तो आ रहा है।
मैम पर इधर सपोर्ट नहीं कर रहा है।
Okay. In your area,
मैम नहीं जा रहा है
नहीं जा रहा है।
Manage, stop talking, keep your microphone mute. Fast.
नहीं जा रहा है।
Janvi, hot. Olive. No, Sania Dija. Yes, Suryansi.
मैम डेट्स।
Date palm tree. Date is the common fruit. Okay. Date is the common fruit. Date palm, yes.
मैम जा नहीं रहा मैसेज। नहीं जा रहा मैम।
मैम जा रहा।
आपका नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम है, इसलिए नहीं जा रहा है। ओके। Rajvi dates. Everyone you are saying very good. Well done. Oasis is Admayas, Ronak. Good, very good. You answered well. My next question is, yes, oasis is a common feature of which area? Oasis is a common feature in which type of landform? Yes, Gayatri, Abhinav, yes, Akanksha, yes.
मैम रिपीट क्वेश्चन।
Oasis is a common feature found in which type of landform, in which area?
मैम मैसेज नहीं।
Keep trying.
यस मैम नहीं जा रहा है।
मैम जा रहा है। नहीं जा रहा है। मैम जा रहा है।
It is not what? No, Rajveer.
मैम मैसेज नहीं जा रहा है।
You should not search from Google.
मैम
You
जा
can
रहा है।
find out the book. मैसेज नहीं जा रहा है, इसका मतलब है this means that there is some problem in your network. Students, please manage with it. You can change your place. Okay, Abhineet, correct. Well done. Oasis. Okay. No, Ronak. देख के नहीं बोलना है गूगल से. Oasis. I am asking all the questions from the Tout chapter, the chapter which we are revising now. Yes, Vaishnavi. No, Rajveer. Sorry. Check your answer once again. You have to name one river which flows in the Sahara Desert. One river. Yes, Akanksha. Very good. The river flows in Sahara Desert. Yes, Abhinav Anand. Well done. 7A. Rajveer 7A. No. Red Sea is not the correct answer. Rajveer. Rajveer, where you are, from where you are getting the answer? I am unable to understand. Yes, Rajveer, this time you have corrected yourself. Yes, Harshdeep 7B. Yes, Reshmi 7B. Very good. Yes, Vaishnavi 7A. Ronak good. Yes, Abhinav. Asfa, you have not mentioned your section. Yes, Rishabh 7A. Abhinav 7B. Well done. All of you gave the right answer. Your answer is River Nile. Okay. Okay, Gayatri. You have to send the name which flows from Sahara Desert. Okay, Ankit. Many of you answered very well. Thank you, class.
मैम अभी
Name the grassland
नहीं
which is
आ रहा।
located. आप लोग अपना स्क्रीन को ऑफ कर सकते हैं. You can keep your screen off for getting good connectivity of internet. Okay. बाद में आपको बोला जाएगा स्क्रीन ऑन करने के. Listen my question carefully that the grassland of South Africa is known as. From which name the grassland of
मैम लीव होके फिर से बोलो
South
सर।
Africa?
मैम रिपीट द क्वेश्चन।
Huh? South Africa. Yes, Abhinav Anand. Yes, Urj Fatima. Many of you started searching from Google. Yes, Gayatri.
Ma'am,
Whatever
repeat the
we
question.
have learned in the book.
मैम रिपीट द क्वेश्चन।
Name the grassland of South Africa. Yes, Abhinav 7B. No, Resmi. Yes, Vaishnavi. Abhineet, you have searched from Google. Yes, Asfa. Yes, Asfa. Already we learned. Yes. Everyone sending the correct answer. Suryansi, I think. Yes, Suryansi. Yes, Riya. Sanjana, no, Sanjana. Yes, Harshdeep, correct. Yes, Asmit, 7B, correct. Yes, Rajveer, correct. Yes. You have to revise your chapter. That's why I am asking some question from the book. Yes, Resmi. Yes, Ronak. You have a habit to start searching from the Google. No, Rishita. Sorry. Yes, Akanksha, 7B, correct. Yes, Gargi, this time you have corrected yourself. Yes. No, Sanjana, extensive farming. I'm not asking any farming. No, Amit. So the right answer is build. Yes, Rudra Kashyap. Correct answer is build. Okay, one more question related to South Africa of this um, grassland. You have to name two rivers which flow in this region. In South Africa, you have to name two rivers of this grassland. Two rivers. Yes, Abhineet, 7A, very good. Very alert, Abhineet, you are well done. Yes, Asfa. Yes. Gayatri, good. Yes, Urj Fatima, 7A. Yes, Rudra Kashyap, 7B. Okay, Akanksha, 7B. Krishna Mridul, Keshav, Abhineet, Abhinav, very good. Suryanshi, Ronak, Rajveer, Pampas, Rajveer, Pampas क्या है? Yes, Asmit, correct. Very good. Nice. Well done, Ria. All are participating. Very good. Okay. Yes, Abhinav. Okay. So, the two rivers flow in this region are, yes, Sanjana, Harshdeep, Limpopo and Orange. Huh? It is nice to learn the names of these rivers, Limpopo and Orange. Good. Yes, Ankit, 7B. Yes, Vaishnavi. Very good. Okay. Very good. Well done, Rajveer, Abhineet. Good. One more question from this part. Once again, yes, Astha, listen carefully. You have to name a desert area of South Africa. Which desert is located in South Africa? South Africa, not Africa. Yes, Resmi, 7B. Yes, Rudra Kashyap, 7B. Yes, Rajveer, 7A. Correct. Okay. Yes.
Ma'am,
Good.
repeat question.
Aspa, you have to find out the desert located in South Africa, not in Africa, South Africa. Yes, Asmit, Abhineet, Abhinav, Vaishnavi. Many students are not responding yet. 34 are there, and I am calling the name. Those are not responding. Okay. Ria, 7A and 7B. Rishita, 7B. Rishav, 7A. Rishav, many of you are still. Ayush Kumar, I think. Ayush, Aditya Ranjan, others. It is very interesting to take part in revision work. It will enrich you in the information given in this chapter. You may know many things. Yes, Abhinav Anand, Kalahari Desert is the right answer. Very good. Well done, class. Those have given the right answer. They are appreciated. They have done very well. Very good, class. Now, which type of climate is found in wild grassland? What is the climate? Huh? Yes, Rudra, Abhinav, Resmi. Very good, Aspa. No, cooler, Aspa. Yes, Abhinav, Rajveer. No, Rajveer, Samar, Harshdeep, Vam. No, no. Please correct yourself, everyone. Please correct yourself. Yes, Astha Singh. Which type of climate is found in wild grassland? Yes, Harshdeep. Yes, Krishna Mridul. Very good. Many of you. Vam. Vaishnavi, Vam कैसे होगा? Yes, Rajveer. Yes, Riya. Sania. Pay attention properly. No, Asfa. No, Shyamli. 7B. Asfa, no. No, Janvi. No, Abhinav. No, Asmit. Sanjana, South Africa नहीं लिखना. Suryanshi, dry climate नहीं लिखना. Yes, Kesav, correct answer. So your the correct answer is, some students have sent the right answer, that is moderate climate. It is already given and taught in the class also. So you pay attention once again, you revise properly. Very good. Those have given the right answer. Now class, the Veld region is rich. The Veld region is rich in what?
Ma'am, repeat.
The entire Veld region is not suitable for agriculture, but we can find in this region very much. It is what? Veld region is rich in. Yes, Abhinav Anand. Yes, Aditya. Yes, Akanksha. Okay, very good. Yes, Abhinav. Yes, Krishna Mridul. Yes, Gayatri. Yes, Urj Fatima. Well done. Yes, correct answer is coming to me. Very good. Very good. Harsh. Abhinav. The entire region is enriched in various minerals, like you can add the names of the minerals. Okay. Like gold, diamond, coal, iron. Yes, Astha. Yes, Ronak. Okay. Very good. Well done, class. Okay, my next question, one more question. एक और question है कि gold mines, diamond mines are common in which city of this region? Can you name the city? Yes, Abhinav Anand, correct answer. Very good. Kimberley, just one answer I got. Yes, Asmit. No, Rajveer, where you are, Asmit? From where you are sending answer, I am unable to know. Yes, Suryansi. Kimberly, yes, Kimberly. And Johannesburg, well done, Abhinav Anand. Both the cities are famous for gold and diamond mines. Yes, Abhinav, yes, Urj Fatima, well done. Yes, Krishna Mridul, the two cities, you must know where it is located. Cities also, it is already given in your textbook. Yes, Rajveer. Yes, Sanjana. Well done. Very good. Okay. Kimberley and Johannesburg. Johannesburg and Kimberley are the two cities famous for gold and diamond mines. Well done. Sania Singh also given the right answer. Very good class. So nice of you. My next question is, name the country where Ladakh desert is situated. You have to name the country where Ladakh desert is situated. Okay, Abhinav Anand, very good, very fast. Abhinav Anand, Abhineet, both of you very alert, very attentive. Yes, Riya Kumari. Country, Jammu and Kashmir is not a country. Riya. Resmi, I am not asking the direction. Yes, Gargi, correct answer you are sending. Yes, Abhinav Kumar. Only country is required to answer. No, Rudra Kashyap, you are. This time you have corrected yourself. Very good. So why you are confusion? I am not asking the region. I am asking the country where Ladakh desert is located. You have to. Yes, Suryansi. India is the right answer. Everyone, you have answered very well. Okay. So you have to take another class. Yes, Aspa. Very good. You all participated with interest. Many of you answered very well. Yes, Akanksha Vaishnavi. Ladakh desert is located in India. No, Sanjana, Srinagar is not a country. So once again, thank you, class. I am going to end this class.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay?
Thank you,
Yeah,
ma'am.
thank you, ma'am.
Have a nice day, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
I
Have a
am
nice
giving
day.
you homework. Homework. What is the homework? Can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
Read the
Yes, ma'am.
yeah.
Yes, ma'am. प्रैक्टिस करना है चैप्टर 6 का मैथ स्किल.
Okay. So map skill and the different names of different grasslands, temperate and what? Equatorial.
Yes, ma'am.
Both the grasslands with correct name and correct continent. Tomorrow we will revise. Okay? And map
Okay,
work.
ma'am.
Map work is very important. You must practice. It is your homework. Come with your complete homework. I'll see it tomorrow in the class. Remaining 15 minutes will be given to search whether how many of you have completed the class homework. Okay. Okay. Bye, students. Have a
Okay,
nice
bye,
day.
ma'am.
Bye,
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Have a nice